AJ of AJ's Bloom, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do an unpacking video from Farmer's Defense on their protective sleeves. So let's get into it. Now let's check out the packaging. In the package, it comes with one brand decal and 2 sleeves. This is size small medium. On the sleeves, I see that they have the brand logo on the wrist and also on the cuff. On the cuff, in order to keep things in place, they have this nice thick elastic band with a silicone no-ride strip. Very helpful for it to stay in place. And it also has a thumb hole, so that you can position it way down so you can reach and cover the back of your hand so you don't break out here as well, which is pretty important to me. This material is pretty lightweight, it's pretty stretchy, and it's pretty breathable actually. I hear it's UV protective, which is good for those sunny days in those sunny regions. And it also seems to be easy to wash and hang dry. Now, I chose the cannabis pattern, but they have many patterns to choose from when it comes to these protective sleeves, so check out the website. So now I'm going to try them on for you. So thanks for watching my channel, and if you like it, please hit subscribe button below. And once again, I'm AJ of AJ's Bloom, helping you grow with confidence.